Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. This is going to be for beginners, so let's go ahead and begin. So a slip knot is the very basic thing that you do for any crochet project. Basic as in it's usually the first thing that you do before you start any project, and it's a little knot that you make that you can pull and it comes undone. So to go ahead and make this, first things first, you have to find the end of your yarn, which is this part over here. It's where the yarn ends, and then the other part of the yarn is connected to your ball of yarn, so it's your working yarn. And so if you are a beginner and you're not used to holding your yarn yet, I would say that the easiest way to make your slip knot is just leaving it flat on the desk and working with it there. So we're going to take this end of yarn and we're going to pull it, and we are going to just wrap it around like this. So we just basically picked up our yarn and we put it over our working end, and we have this little circle. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick the circle up, and we're going to take our two fingers and we're going to put it underneath that circle. So we have our fingers in that circle, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take our two fingers, our thumb and our index finger, and we're going to pinch the yarn that's on the other side, our working yarn. Then we're going to hold on to the small strand, we're going to pull that yarn through, and we should have a little knot, and you've just made your slip knot. This is a little big, so what you can do is you can just hold down both sides and pull, and when you pull, the slip knot should tighten. And then you can just grab your hook, put it in, pull it again so it's perfectly fit around your hook, and then you can start crocheting. I'm going to show you a few more times just so we can get the hang of it. So again, we have the end of our yarn and our working yarn. We're going to take this, we're going to hold on to this, and we are going to loop it around. So we just picked it up and we put it on top of our working yarn like this. Then we take our left hand and then we pick up this little circle that we have, and then we take our little thumb and our index finger and we're going to put it into that circle like so. And then we are going to pinch our working yarn. This is our working yarn over here. We're going to pinch it. Then we're going to hold on to the small strand of yarn, and we're going to pull our pinched yarn through like so. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. So we have our end of our yarn and our working yarn. We're going to pick it up, pull it a little bit. We're going to wrap it around like so. We're going to pick this circle up. We're going to put our thumb and our index finger through that circle like so. And then we're going to grab this working yarn like that. Then we are going to grab this small strand of yarn and pull the yarn that we just grabbed through, and we're going to pull until we have a little knot right here. And then we are just going to go ahead and pull both sides so we have the slip knot of our desired size. And that is how you make a slip knot. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, please let me know and feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. This is going to be the first video of my beginner series, so stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!